Hey guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can make a Discord banner for free. In this case, log into your Discord first, then you'll find here a tab. Open a new tab and write here Discord banner. Press enter and you'll find the first link, Discord PFPS. This one, free custom and profile banners for Discord. Just click one and you will find here search your cool banners. You can search here the topic, or you can find here by scrolling down. You'll find many banners here for free. Like if you want to use this banner CyberDark, click on view and you can just click on download and you can use this in your Discord server. Okay, so this is so simple guys. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.